Purchase Order Inquiry. The Purchase Order Inquiry module in Munis is used to inquire and report on existing purchase orders. The fields within the program cannot be added, updated, deleted, or modified in any way. The purchase orders that are visible to each user are based on user settings. These settings are defined by the ERP system specialist based on various criteria. Please remember to reference the Purchase Order Inquiry How-To Guide for detailed information and helpful screenshots. The Purchase Order Inquiry module can be accessed in a couple of different ways. Under the Tyler menu and under the Munis section, you can click on Departmental Functions. A drop-down menu will appear, and you can choose Purchase Order Inquiry. If you ever have trouble finding your program, you can type all or some of the program name you are looking for in the search bar. Click Enter. All programs containing the words or letters entered will appear as a drop-down menu. Find the correct program name and click on it to access the program. There are a number of search characters that can be used when searching for records. The list can be found on the How-To Guide. Remember that Munis is always case sensitive. The most commonly used search symbol is the asterisk. This is called the wildcard. It can be used before or after a word to widen the search parameters. To begin a search, click the search button on the ribbon. It is the one with the magnifying glass icon. The fields that can be searched will turn white. Once search is clicked, the following options appear. Enter any criteria you want to search by. When less information is entered, the search is broader and will result in more records being found. To narrow the search, enter as many details as possible. Again, please reference the How-To Guide if you would like more details on the various fields and how they are used. The fields with a black line are fields we do not currently utilize. Once you have entered all of your search parameters, click the Accept button with the green check mark icon. The relevant records will display. The bottom left corner of the screen will show how many records were returned. These can be scrolled through using the arrows. If you have a large number, you may choose to browse them by clicking the Browse button on the ribbon. When Browse is used, all items appear in a spreadsheet format, which makes searching and filtering possible. To filter, for example, click the Funnel button. You can type in a word or words to filter. Remember, you can use the wildcard to find phrases, including a certain word, by putting the asterisk before and after the word. The field to search can be chosen from the menu. I've chosen vendor name. Once you've put the parameters in, you can click Go to complete your filter. Reports can be exported to Excel, Word, or to a PDF. If exported to Excel, you will choose the fields you want to include. For some people, it's easier to filter and search or create tables using Excel. This is also convenient for printing and saving reports. You can cancel the search and filter options. If you click the Cancel button, all of the items will reappear from the original search. A GL find and a detail find can also be done with this program. After the initial search, you can narrow your results further with these options. The GL find skill will allow you to search by any or all of the account code segments. The detail find allows you to search by things like line total amount and line description. When you are done with the module, you can simply click Back to exit the program.